1980 CJ7 walk around. What we have here is a 5.3 engine swap with the Nova conversion kit to high capacity radiator. We got a really loud air horn here. It's a K&N filter with a sand protector. Nice method wheels with brand new Micky Thompsons all around. 35 by 12 and a half. 15s. Very nice paint job. It's a 70s color from a Lancia called Azzurro Coppeline. The rough country winch in the front, some multi-functional fog lights, LED headlights. Work. There's a controller here for the fog lights. Right now they're in the strobe mode. They have two different colors, clear and amber, and you can switch here between the functions. This is the air horn. It's clean underneath. Quick disconnect, sway bars right there. Look at the floors, the frame, nice and clean. New shocks, steel braided brake lines. All right, let's close this up. First, we have a 5-speed transmission. There we go. All new hardware and latches, they're all black, grill's black, new seal, new mirrors, red seat belts front and back. That's the passenger ones in the back. There we go. That's a new marine radio with Bluetooth. It's got new speakers here, there. 6x9s in the back. Sounds really good. And we have a subwoofer under the rear seat. I just don't know how to show it. Maybe from the other side. We got an Alpine subwoofer in the back. Let's see. There it is. Sounds really nice. Lockable center console, which also hides the amplifier, and there's your winch controller over there. Yeah, new hardware, all stainless. Matching spare. Looks like the sun is coming out, so it shows how beautiful this color is. It looks really good. There we go. Cool little bullet-shaped antenna. And you can just see there's no fish eyes or none of that. Very straight body. New fender flares all around. See the floors on this side too. And the frame, very clean underneath.